Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, April 12. Government is pursuing a five-pronged strategy to get a bigger share of the trillion-dollar international tourism market. The key pillars include tapping into new markets, developing new products, promoting investment, building new partnerships, and the renewal of human capital. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says the aim is to pull in more than $3 billion.
We're going back to our partners. We're going to sit and say, okay, what do we need to do together? So the market has changed a little bit. The demographics has changed also. How do we respond to these changes? Canada is our second largest market. We're down about 11%. We're going back for Canada. And we're starting with Vancouver, getting a flight out of Vancouver later for the winter.
Minister Bartlett was speaking recently at an orientation ceremony for new boards of directors of agencies within the Tourism Ministry. It was held at the Montego Bay Convention Center. The Health Ministry is urging persons to properly cover containers used to store water to prevent the breeding of the Aedes aegypti mosquito, which transmits the Zika, chikungunya, and dengue viruses. Inspections revealed that 75% of mosquito breeding sites are located in water storage containers.
The truth is that if we want to get rid of, let's argue logically, 75% of the problem, then as citizens what we must do is make sure that those containers are placed in a particular way, whether covered or whatever way, to protect us against the breeding sites.
Dr. Tufton was launching the Manchester leg of the Operation Mosquito Search and Destroy Cleanup campaign. The Health Ministry is also urging persons to remain alert and be prepared to deal with new and re-emerging mosquito-borne diseases. Special needs children in eastern Jamaica now have better access to therapeutic and educational services following the opening of a center in Orange Bay, Portland. The Early Stimulation Center of Excellence, which costs $30 million, will be operated by the Early Stimulation Program, which is part of the Ministry of Labor and Social Security. It was established through a partnership between government and the JIS Foundation.
This new building in the eastern section of the island will add a significant value to my ministry, to the government and the people of Jamaica, and support our mission and mandate of social inclusion and the integration of persons with disabilities. This government that I'm a part of is committed to strengthening the disability agenda and to ensuring the full participation of persons with disabilities in the Jamaican society.
The Early Stimulation Center of Excellence in Portland is housed in the Mikhail Betancourt building. The building was named in honor of Mikhail Betancourt, a late employee of Digicel who often assisted needy persons. And more persons in Western Jamaica will be able to pursue studies in shipping, logistics, and supply chain management following the official opening of C.M.I's Western Campus. The Caribbean Maritime Institute, C.M.I, has cemented the partnership with the Sam Sharp Teachers College in St. James to provide training at its facilities. 19 students have been enrolled so far. State Minister in the Education Ministry, Floyd Green, has lauded the establishment of the C.M.I's Western Campus, saying it will prepare more students for jobs in the maritime sector.
This collaboration does provide the perfect fusion for exceptional performance. We are all aware that proper education and training is the foundation and that the engine of a growing economy is education.
And finally, Transport Minister Mike Henry says toll negotiations between government and the operators of the North-South Highway are going smoothly.
The best way I can leave it is that it's a work in progress with a time frame attached to it, that within by the 24th of this month we will have had to have those meetings with the developer, meetings between the various ministries that it impacts on.
On March 23, during the official opening of the toll road, Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced a 25% reduction in toll rates on a temporary basis. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.